This new Gemini update is insane. Google just dropped something that's going to change everything. You can now turn any idea into interactive 3D visuals inside your chat. No design skills needed, no complicated tools. Just type and watch your ideas come to life. This new Gemini update is insane. Google just made something that honestly feels like magic. You can now create interactive 3D visuals right inside your chat with Gemini. Static images, boring charts. Talking full 3D models you can rotate, zoom into, and explore like you're in a video game. Here's the crazy part. You don't need any design experience. You don't need fancy software. You just type what you want and Gemini builds it for you in seconds. I've been testing this for the past few days, and it's completely changed how I explain complex ideas. Instead of writing long paragraphs or drawing terrible diagrams on a whiteboard, I just ask Gemini to visualize it. And boom, interactive visual. This is going to be huge for content creators, educators, and anyone who needs to explain stuff quickly. Let me show you exactly what this can do and why you need to start using it today. So what exactly is this update? Google Gemini has always been their AI assistant, kind of like ChatGPT, but from Google. And up until now, it was pretty standard. You ask questions, it gives you text answers, nothing special. This new update changes everything. When you ask Gemini a question, it doesn't just give you text. It can turn your question into an interactive visualization. Charts that you can adjust, diagrams that explain complex topics step by step, even 3D models of literally anything you can think of. And you can interact with all of it right inside the chat window. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Why does this matter? Because explaining things is hard. Writing out complex ideas takes forever. Creating visuals from scratch takes even longer. But with this update, you can turn any concept into something people can actually see and interact with in seconds. It's like having a professional designer and teacher built into your AI assistant. And the best part is how simple it is to use. You literally just ask for what you want, and Gemini does the rest. Let me give you some real examples. Open Gemini and type this. Explain how a neural network works with a visual diagram. Within seconds, Gemini created a full interactive diagram showing all the layers, the connections, how data flows through the network. I could zoom in, click on different parts, see explanations for each section. This would have taken me hours to create on my own. Gemini did it in under 10 seconds. Then I tried something else. Asked it to create a chart showing global AI growth from 2020 to 2025. Not only did it create the chart, but I could adjust the variables, change the data points, modify the view. It's like having a data analyst built into your chat. And here's where it gets even cooler. Asked for a 3D model of the solar system. Gemini generated a full 3D model that I could rotate, zoom into each planet, see their orbits moving in real time. This is the kind of thing that used to require specialized software and hours of work, or it takes one sentence. Wait, there's more. I wanted to understand blockchain better, so I asked Gemini to explain blockchain with an interactive visualization. It created a step-by-step visual that showed exactly how blocks get added to the chain, how the system verifies transactions, all of it animated and interactive. Learned more in 5 minutes with that visual than I did reading dozens of articles. That's the power of this update. It turns learning into something visual and hands-on instead of just reading text. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Gemini to automate your workflows and transform how you create content, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share every AI strategy, automation, and tool that's actually working right now. I have members who are using tools like Gemini to create entire content libraries, build educational products, and streamline their entire business operations. Link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. Let me show you the customization power. This is where things get really interesting. As Gemini creates a visual, you can modify it instantly. I had a diagram that was too complex, so I just said, make it simpler. Simplified version. And I said, add labels. Highlight the key parts. Every change happens in real time. You're basically having a conversation with a designer who can read your mind. This means you can fine-tune visuals until they're exactly what you need without touching any design software. Let me break down the actual use cases because this is where it gets practical. It's content creation. If you make YouTube videos, TikToks, or any educational content, this is a game changer. You can turn complex topics into visual explainers instantly. I asked Gemini to explain AI agents visually, and it gave me a perfect diagram I could screen record and drop straight into a video. That's instant content, editing, design work. Just ask and record. If you run an agency or work with clients, you can create visual reports in seconds. Need to show a client their marketing funnel? Ask Gemini to create a funnel diagram. Need to explain a strategy? A visual. This makes you look more professional and helps clients actually understand what you're doing for them. Visuals always work better than long email explanations. Education. If you're building courses or teaching anything online, you can use this to create visual lessons. Imagine teaching physics with interactive diagrams that students can manipulate themselves. breaking down business concepts with charts that update in real time. This makes learning so much more engaging than just reading slides. Fourth, product design. If you're building a SaaS or any kind of product, you can prototype ideas visually. I asked Gemini to show me an app workflow diagram, and it created a complete flow showing how users would move through different screens. This is perfect for planning features or explaining your product to investors or team members. Research and learning. When you need to understand something complex fast, visual explanations are the way to go. Economics, biology, AI systems, whatever. Ask Gemini to visualize it, and you'll understand it 10 times faster than reading a textbook. Been using this to learn new topics, and it's cut my research time in half. Here's some advanced tips to get the most out of this. It's prompt chaining. Don't just ask for one thing. Ask Gemini to explain a concept, then visualize it, then simplify it, then turn it into something you can use for content. Each step builds on the last, and you end up with exactly what you need. So use layered prompts. Ask for a diagram plus an explanation plus highlights of common mistakes. You get multiple layers of value in one output. You can also combine this with other tools. Export the visuals into Google Slides for presentations. Use them in Notion to build knowledge bases. Screen record them for video content. Possibilities are endless. And here's a hidden trick. Ask Gemini to turn your visual into an interactive teaching module. Or create something that walks people through the concept step by step with interactive elements. This is perfect for courses or training materials. But let me be real with you about the limitations because I don't want to overhype this. It's not perfect for advanced engineering simulations or highly accurate scientific modeling. If you need super precise technical work, you'll still want specialized software. Sometimes the visuals can oversimplify complex concepts or have minor inaccuracies. You need to double check important stuff. And here's a beginner mistake I see people make, using vague prompts. If you just say, make me a chart, you'll get something basic. Be specific. Tell Gemini exactly what you want to see, and you'll get way better results. Also, this works best with a strong internet connection, and you might need the newer version of Gemini to access all the features. Let me compare this to other AI tools real quick. Gemini versus ChatGPT. Gemini now has native interactive visuals built in. You can manipulate them in real time. ChatGPT is still better at pure text reasoning right now, but it doesn't have the same level of built-in interactive visuals. Gemini versus Claude. Gemini wins on visual and interactive learning. Claude is stronger for long-form reasoning and detailed analysis, but it doesn't have native 3D or interactive visuals like this. Who is this perfect for? Content creators making educational videos or explainer content. You can turn one complex idea into a visual and have instant video material. Founders who need to visualize product ideas or create pitch decks. You can prototype your vision and show it to people in minutes. Agencies creating client presentations or reports. Visuals make everything clearer and more professional. Beginners who learn better visually. If reading long articles doesn't work for you, this will change how you learn. And advanced users building workflows and automating content creation. You can integrate this into your entire process. It's what I want you to do right now. Open Gemini and turn one complex idea into a visual. Just one. Start simple. Try this prompt. Explain my business model visually, whatever topic you're working on. See what it creates. Play with it. Defy it. To feel for how powerful this is. Because once you see it in action, you'll realize how much time this can save you. And if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Gemini to automate your workflows and transform how you create content, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share every AI strategy, automation, and tool that's actually working right now. I have members who are using tools like Gemini to create entire content libraries, build educational products, and streamline their entire business operations. Link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Share strategies, tools, and real results every single day. Fluff, just what's actually working. This Gemini update is one of those rare moments where technology actually delivers on the hype. Interactive 3D visuals inside a chat interface. That's science fiction stuff. And it's available right now for anyone to use. Comment visual below and I'll drop you 5 powerful prompts to try with Gemini that'll blow your mind. Let's go.